the phonics class. In the previous class, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with 8 family. Today's video is about 3-letter CVC words along with IB family. Children, if you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know that CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright. Children, are you ready to blend some sounds together to make new words? Yes, very good. Let's begin. Letter I. I makes the sound I. Letter B. B makes the sound B. Letter I and B together makes the sound IB. I. B. IB. Now we are going to learn words with IB sound. B. IB. Bib. B. IB. Bib. J. IB. Jib. J. IB. Jib. N. Ib. Nib. N. Ib. Nib. R. Ib. Rib. R. Ib. Rib. Children, come on, let's have a quick review. You all can read with me. Bib. Jib. Nib. Rib. Children, practice these words every day. Yes, it is so important because learning phonics and beginning to read is huge milestone. Children, I hope you all had fun reading today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.